to Event Pro. I'm your host, Gemma Baswell. Today we have a Roxanne Extender joining us. Roxanne is an expert in event management and marketing. Welcome to the show, Roxanne.
Thank you, Mr. Jaymar. And I'm excited to be here.
Roxanne, you've worked on numerous high-profile events. What's the key to making an event memorable?
It's all about creating an impressive experience from venue selection to entertainment, and every detail is a matter.
That's great insight. How do you stay on top of event planning with multiple stakeholders involved?
Communication is a crucial regular updates, clear expectations, and a solid plan for it keeps everyone on track. Um, Sustainability and technology integration for a becoming increasingly important, and every event needs to be eco-friendly for a digitally and engaging. Go.
How do you handle last-minute change or unexpected issues during an event?
Stay calm, think on your feet, and have backup plan. And flexibility and quick thinking are essential. Um, be detailed, oriented, and organized. Always put the clients first. Networking and building relationships are also key.
Thanks for sharing your expertise with us, Roxanne. We appreciate your time.
Thank you, Mr. Jaymar. It was a pleasure. For me, one event that comes to mind is a large corporate conferences with multiple stakeholders and tight deadlines, and we had to coordinate with various vendors and speakers. And one of our keynote speakers had a last minute cancellation. We quickly found a replacement and adjust the schedule.
Wow, that sounds stressful. How do you ensure that your events are accessibly and enjoyable for all attendees, include those with disabilities?
Um, we prioritize accessibility in every aspect, from venue selection to programming, and we also gather feedback from attendees to identify any areas for improvement.
Game na ba? That's great to hear. What role do you think technology will play in the future of event management?
Um, Technology will continue to enhance the attendee experiences, from registration to post-event engagement. Virus and hybrid events will also become more prevalent.
How do you measure successful of an event?
We track metrics such as attendance, engagement, and feedback. Ultimately, success is about meeting the client's objectives experience for attendees.
Last question, Roxanne. What's the most important thing you learned throughout your career in event management?
Flexibility and creativity and attention to detail are essential, but most importantly, it's about building relationships and providing exceptional service.
Thanks again, Roxanne, for sharing your insight with us today.
Thank you also, Jema, and it was a pleasure.
Thank you so much. This podcast is all about mastering event management insight from Roxanne Extender. Wow!